In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or a business website, adding a calendar can be a fantastic way to keep your audience informed about important dates and events. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website editor. This is the area where you can make changes and customize the look and feel of your site. Once you've accessed your website editor, you're in the main hub where all the magic happens. Next, let's focus on adding a block. In Squarespace, blocks are elements that you can add to your page to enhance its functionality and design. So go ahead and click on the Add Block option. This will open up a variety of block choices for you. Take your time to explore if you'd like, but for today, we're going to focus on one specific feature. Now, in the block selection menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Calendar block. This will open up the options for calendar functionalities that Squarespace provides. Calendars are a fantastic feature to keep your communication lines with your audience clear and timely. Whether for scheduling events, classes, or meetings, having a dedicated calendar on your site can make a world of difference. Once the calendar block is added, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. Click on Edit to access further settings. Here you can manage a variety of aspects associated with your calendar, such as adding event details, setting times and dates, or even configuring reminders. You can also customize the visual appearance so that it matches your overall site design. Remember, an integrated and visually consistent calendar improves user experience and keeps your visitors engaged. With your customization in place, the next step is where it all comes together. When you're satisfied with your calendar's setup, simply click on Save. This is an important step as it ensures that all the changes you've just made are applied to your website. After saving, don't forget to preview your site to see how the calendar looks in action. It's always a good idea to view it through your user's eyes and make any additional adjustments to enhance functionality and design as needed. And that's it! You've successfully added a calendar to your Squarespace site. It's a great way to keep your audience updated on what's happening and to ensure that they are engaged with your content. Being able to easily inform your visitors about upcoming events or important dates can make your site not just a source of information, but an indispensable tool for everyone who visits it. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!